Yo everybody, what's going on? Right, so I'm on XAU USD. I'm on gold, right? So you can see I've got a pending sell limit order right here, 0.02 lots, right? And I'm trying to sell at this point over here. When the market comes to this level, then it will trigger my sell order, and then let's see what will happen, right? And then, so what's the reason that I entered on this particular, or why I placed my pending order right here? Right, it's very simple, right? It's based on the market structure, right? So marking out my zone like this, like these lines basically represent support and resistance, right? They're basically support and resistance, nothing else, right? So nothing complicated, nothing difficult, right? You can see like these lines, they're basically representing support and resistance, right? So you can see here, this is the lowest, then on this one here is a touch there, touch there, touch there, touch there. That's a support, right? So basically that's all these lines, they're basically support and resistance, right? So perfect, right? So coming to our trade right here, right? So we can see it is actually, first of all, it is nearly like our swing high right here, right? That's the first thing, right? Then second thing to note is this, right? Here at this level right here, right here, we can see a certain pattern, right? So basically this is called a dominant break sell, right? Whereby one green candle is being broken by 3 or more candles, right? In this case there are only 3 candles, right? As you can see, they're the ones that are breaking, right, below this green candle, right? Perfect. So what's really transparent right here, right? So after seeing this dominant break sell on the M30, right, what did I do? Then I went to the M15, right? M15 time frame, and then I saw something. I saw a drop, base drop, right? And that formed a supply area in this zone right here. We can see that's a supply area in this zone, and then we marked and we drew a rectangle shape right in this zone right here, marking out our supply zone, right, like that. Perfect. So basically when the market comes into this zone, it is going to trigger our sell order, right? And then we'll be into the trade, right? And then we expect, right, that the market will come, will drop all this distance to the downside, right, to our next level, right, to a demand area, right? So we can see, right, that we have got a demand area right here on the M30, right? That's a demand area. It's a strong demand area, right? So I expect the market to drop, right, to this level over here, right? But we're not going to hold till the demand area. We have just placed our take profit just above our demand area, right, so that we will not be inconvenienced just in case the bulls enter in before time, right? So basically that's how we place our take profit, right? And then just in case, right, this setup doesn't turn out, right, I've hedged up my positions, right? So due to manipulation and fake outs, right, I've done this thing, right? You can see over here, right, that's my first sell position, right? Then here I've got a second, right? Over here you can see I've got a second sell position over here, right? Perfect. So just in case, right, just in case the market comes, it triggers this position over here, and then it continues to go up, right? And then it will hit first of all, it will trigger me into this trade right here, right? So this trade, when it hits the stop loss, it will trigger this one, right, into the trade. So it's one cancels the other. Once this one is cancelled, it will trigger this one into the trade, right? And then, right, so basically for the first one, the stop loss is at the same level as the as my second position, right, as my second pending sell limit order, right? And then for the second limit order, right, my stop loss is just at this level right here, right? And my take profit is at the same level, right, at this demand area over here, right? So I expect the market to trigger my trade here, right? If it doesn't reverse from here, it will maybe continue to come here, and then we expect it to reverse. But just in case, remember we're dealing with probability here, just in case the market does not actually reverse, right, we've already protected our positions with stop loss orders, right? So right now we can see that the market is here, right? It's about to trigger our position, right? So we're just going to be patiently waiting and see what the market is going to do. Yep. So remember, patience is key, patience pays. So we're going to just watch and see what will happen. So here we are, right, on XAUUSD, right, on gold, right? We can see that we're already in this trade. The market is triggered us into this trade, right? Our position has been triggered, right? So basically we're going to wait and see how this thing is gonna play out, right? You can see it wicked out here, came down, now it's going up. We're going to see how this thing is gonna play out, right? So let's wait and see. So here we are, right, on gold XAUUSD, right? You can see our entry was here, right? And then on our supply area here, right, what happened next? We can see due to news, right, the impact of news, right? You can see our order was activated here, right? And then with this one shot, the market went all the way up and took out our take profit, right? Just like that. We can see that. So that was about let's see how many pips was that. You can see an easy 156 pips, right? 156 pips, perfect, right? So that is it for this video, guys. See you in another one. Black Diamond here, signing out. Fino. Peace.